I'm going to share with you tonight 3 tips to spruce up a dinner party. First of all, appetizers. Instead of using a normal dip bowl, try using wine glasses just to kind of change it up. For your chips, flowers, I know that's not, anything new or revolutionary, but just have them. It's so easy and it makes everything look so much better. And then third of all is my napkin folding trick, which always amazes people, but they do it in every restaurant. It looks great. So you take a square napkin, all right, normal napkin, fold it in quarters. Then you fold down the first corner, second corner, third corner. So you have like 3 little lines. Flip it over, take the point where everything comes together, fold it back, and then you tuck in the other side on the back side, turn it over, pretty napkin, stick in your knife and your fork. Voila! Thank you very much, Argyle Hotel, for teaching me that fun trick, and I hope you get to use it soon. Bye.